Looking for a reliable truck with extremely low miles? Check out this 1998 Ford Ranger Super Cab Splash with only 112,000 miles. This truck comes with a dealer service history and recent services valued at over $545, ensuring it's in top condition. It's a dealer certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, at the time of sale, you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price on top of the advertised price. And don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option. Recent service includes spark plugs, fuel filter, air filter, and a fresh oil and filter change. We always recommend a pre-purchase inspection to give you peace of mind. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, warranty, and 5-year service plan. Take advantage of this well-maintained truck and ask about upgrading your CPO warranty at a discounted rate. Visit us today and drive home this great deal.